place. Hey there, this is Gina with Off Leash Canine Training here in Winchester, Virginia. And this handsome fellow with me is an 8-month-old Portuguese water dog. His name is Cooper. And he is here for the 1-week board and train. And what his mom really wants to get straightened out with him is get a really good recall. She lives out in the country, and as it stands, when he gets out the door, he's off chasing cows, jumping in the pond, doesn't care at all to come back to her when she calls him, so we're going to work on that. And then he has some other undesirable behaviors. He paws and kind of beats up on not only his owner, but the other dogs in the family. He's pretty good with basic commands. She says, like, sit, lie down. He'll pretty much know how to do them, but he just doesn't do them when he'd rather be doing something else.